can you find out the mistakes in these 10 sentences? If you can find out, your English would be amazing. Why? It will increase your confidence level, because you will know that I have the grammatical knowledge. And when you have grammatical knowledge, grammatical structure would be grammar are mistakes free. And I am going to tell you about 10 secrets of grammar mistakes, and let's know. And you have to tell me in the comment section how many you have got right. So let's get started from the very start. Divide it between the children in class. Now listen, what is the mistake here? When we are talking about two, then we would use between. But more than two, three, four, five, or more than two, many, we can refer to among. So here is the mistake among. Divide it among the children in class, because children are not two, they are many. When they are two, we have to use between, but when they are many, we have to use among. It has been snowing from Monday. So what is the mistake here? When there is the reference of has been and have been, don't use the word from. And there is a specific time period like days, you have to utilize since. What you have to utilize? Since. Now next, Sophia is married with the doctor. Now here it is the mistake. Why? I am going to give you the logic. If I am saying that I am married with two children, it means that I am married with my spouse and he has two children with two things. Now Sophia is married with only the doctor, he has no kids, so you have to use to, not with. Open page up of your books. It's a very common mistake, and remember, we do not open the pages, we open the books. So the structure of this sentence is grammatically wrong. So you should say here, open your book to page 45. Open your book, because books are opened and shut, books are opened and closed, it's not the pages. So refer, open your book at to page 45. He is a student of Oxford University. Remember, dear audience, when there is the specific reference of specific places, institutions, you have to utilize the word at. He is the student at Oxford University, because Oxford University is a place, specific place, is an institute. So you should not write of, rather at. I saw that news on the newspaper. So here the grammatical mistake is on, because when we open the newspaper, the news is inside the newspaper. The news is inside the news. So we have to say, I saw that news in the newspaper. Number 7, John has been absent from Friday. Now here the same mistake has been revised, because when there is present perfect continuous tense, has been and have been are there, and there is also the reference and mention of days, you have to utilize the since. So John has been absent since Friday. My birthday is not on. When we mention months, we have to utilize the word in, not on. Months, seasons, year. The key of success. Key of success is not the word. Rather, the key to happiness is having dreams. What do you think? The cat is sleeping in the sofa. No, cat is sleeping on the surface. When something is touching the surface of something, you have to say on. You have to say on. When there is something inside something, it is an enclosed structure. It is an enclosed structure. This is in. But when there is when something is touching with the surface of something, you have to utilize the word on. So the cat is sleeping on the sofa. Now you have to let me in the comment section that how many of these are correct.